Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, y'all, I ain't ready. You ain't ready, cause I'm getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. I wanna take my makeup off to put this collection on my face. Y'all, this is my summer collection with MAC Cosmetics. It's my third collection with MAC. It is Summer Star. So my first collection was a little bit of fierceness. The second one was eleganza. And the third one is just ultimate sexy summer diva with a fever. She is just serving looks. And if you guys didn't already know, I shot my first music video and recorded my first single called Got the Glam. So if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. That song is so cute. The video is so cute. Cause honey, I'm a collectible edition. You know what else is cute? This Beauty Face Kit by MAC, which is out in stores today, and also the Beauty Opalescent Face Powder. It is to die for. I love it so, so much. And in this kit comes a bunch of products for an amazing price, and I can't believe it. It comes with the iconic face chart, and it has a bronzer called Give Me Life. It has two lip glosses called Fashion Punch and Cream Pie, and it comes with a quad called Heat Stroke. Y'all, I'm getting a heat stroke just looking at it. Are y'all? This is so cute. I hope you guys enjoy these colors, enjoy this collection. Check it out. It's out in stores now. This is the official tutorial video for this look. But before we get started, let's swatch some products. Guys, I am so excited for this collection, so we're gonna swatch. I see you're excited as well. We are here with DIVA FEVA, and it comes with a face chart. So this is the kit, and it has 4 products in it, and I want to show you guys the products. So this is the eyeshadow quad called Heat Stroke. It is to die for. I love it so, so much, and there are 4 beautiful fire warm colors in here. This one is called Sandy Crotch, and then this one is called Brash. This one is Ruddy, and this one is a Mabuhay. And if you guys didn't know, Mabuhay is a Filipino word meaning live. Oh, I almost forgot we have to swatch. So the first color is Sandy Crotch, a beautiful matte shade. And the second color is called Brash. The third color is called Ruddy, which is a beautiful fire metallic. And then this last one is called Mabuhay. And this is Heat Stroke. So next in the kit, we have this beautiful bronzing powder called Give Me Life. I have been wearing this for the past year, and I know bronzer is specific, but this I find is such a beautiful bronzer for a majority of skin tones, and I think it's great for your kit. And what I love, about this collaboration is that MAC had squeezed all these products into a beautiful kit for an amazing price, and I hope you guys love it and check it out in store and online. So the last 2 products in the kit itself are 2 beautiful lip glosses. Do you see my lips? I never go this light. I am wearing Fashion Punch, which is a pale peach. And then there is Cream Pie, which is a beautiful mid-tone neutral pink. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these as well. These are just sexy. This one is Fashion Punch. This is a beautiful pale peach. Love this one. And this one is Cream Pie. And that is it for the kit. So the kit is so, so amazing. I hope you guys get to check it out. I worked really, really hard on it, from the packaging and the product. It comes with an eyeshadow quad, 2 lip glosses, and a bronzing powder. 4 products for $49.50. It is so, so good. But that's not all. I had to ask MAC if we can do like summer glow. Like, can we get summer glow? I am too insecure about texture on my skin and doing something too glittery, so we came out with a Beauty Opalescent powder called Hot and Heavy. I love it so, so much. It is a beautiful package.
I love the packaging. Packaging is like everything to me, and I am so proud of the packaging, and MAC did such a good job with the packaging.
So, this is the packaging in the box, and this is the powder. I love it so much, and it is a beautiful tan with a golden shimmer. Can you open this for me? It's so strong. This highlighting beauty powder is so gorgeous. This is great for the red carpet and you're not over highlighted. You still have that beautiful glow and it's great for HD and film. And this is it right here. Pardon me. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this summer star tutorial. All right, you guys, I'm sure y'all were wondering whose abs and titties and cockle-doodle-doo that belong to. And this is my very special friend, Jordan!
What's up, guys?
Oh my gosh, I love him so much. This is my model in the campaign, and he is also in my music video as my love interest in the storm. I'm that boy they warned you about.
Michael, I'm gonna make you drown.
We got wet together, hot and heavy. And thank you so much for being in my campaign.
Are you kidding?
You are so amazing. And we bonded at the shoot, and he is a fitness, health guru, single, straight brother from another mother. We've grown to know each other in the past, and I just love it so much that he has been open to someone like me in this industry. And thank you. And you look so great in the campaign.
Thank you. I feel glam as heck.
Is this your first cosmetic campaign?
It's my first cosmetic campaign.
Yes.
Ever.
Ever. And we are both from Orlando or from Florida.
I always walked into the Panera that you worked at.
Yes, I worked at Panera, and he worked at the American Eagle,
Right
around the corner. And then we both worked in the Florida Mall, where I worked at MAC, and he worked at that American Eagle as well. It's such a small world, you guys. It is so crazy, and I'm so thankful for you to be here. And thanks for letting me use your abs and your body for this campaign. If you guys want to check him out, follow him. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial. Oh my God, I think I had a heat stroke because that's what we're starting off with today. I love these colors so much. They are bronzy, they are warm, they are on fire. As you can see, I have the base on my face and I have brows, concealer, powder, everything, all the above. And we are gonna go into a sandy crotch and run this through the crease and zoom on in. Guys, I cannot believe I am here using this collection because, you know, we shot this last summer. So it was very much a hard secret to keep, and I feel like with each collection that I had, it was like kind of like revealing to you guys my baby that I have been holding in my tummy, in my throat, and in the bottom of my heart for like 12 months. And I'm so happy I am finally able to film you guys a tutorial using this. And when I say MAC has been one of the best collaborators, they literally gave me creative freedom to do anything. This color, Sandy Crotch, is a must for everyone. A funny story is, like, on the packaging, you can see there's the similar motif with, like, the zigzag pattern, but they were like, okay, you have to pick one. You can get all of them blue, all of them this neon yellow, or, like, the pink motif. And I was like, can I have all of them? They were like, I was like, I want all of them. And they were like, okay, we're gonna try to make it work. And I said, let's use the teal as kind of like as the base color, and we can use it and bleed it into all the colors. So this was what I came up with, and I'm so excited. And can we see this compact back here? It is large and it's so heavy, and I had so much fun on the photo shoot. I had my friends, I had my brothers there. We had such a blast, and I can't believe it. I can't believe it that we're here with a third collection with MAC. A beautiful kit and a beauty highlighting powder. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful transition color here. It is a very beautiful bronze color that I created. It's a matte. So there's two mattes and two shimmers. This one is called Mabuhay for the Philippines, which means live. Yes, God. And I'm going to go ahead and take this color and run this as like a thick liner. I've been loving this lately. It gives the eye a lift. And then I'm gonna wrap it into the crease, okay? Little 1-2 step. So next to blend it out, I'm gonna go into Sandy Crotch and blend in Mabuhay, this dark color. And I feel like these two colors are all you need for that warm, smoky eye. She's cute. Next, I'm gonna take this beautiful penny color right here. It's Brash. I am obsessed with this, and I'm gonna pat this all over the lid. So next, to blend out the frost, I'm gonna take this warm shimmer called Ready and take it on the other side of my flat brush and blend this highlight into the dark color Mabuhay that we used earlier. Frost needs dimension too. I hope y'all don't mind if I just get undressed because this bathing suit is so tight. They like resistance bands on my trapezoids. Is it just called trapezoid? What's this called? Is it called? It's called my traps. Where's Jordan? These things are resistance bands and they hurt my shoulders. Leave it to the big girl to know her muscle shapes. So for liner, I'm gonna go ahead and take Costa Riche and smoke out this pencil liner. So for my first palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take Embark on an angle brush, and I'm going to smoke out that Costa Riche. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes up to Jesus because God is good. Okay, won't he do it? I feel so blessed. Favorite mascara ever, MAC Extended Plate Giga Black Lash. Love, 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 love. What is this muscle called?
Trap.
I was right.
Is it a trapezoid?
You can call it either one.
You said trapezoid.
You said trapezoid.
You both said trapezoid.
No,
Ah.
I was saying
And the
no,
truth.
it's not trapezoid. I said that's a
Here's
shape.
the
I didn't say trapezoid.
Roll the clip.
I'm editing! What's a PatrickStarrr tutorial without some wispy lashes? Time for the resistance bands. Back on the body. All right, now to knock off some of the baking powder off my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take NC45 Studio Fix powder and just bring back the life. Feel free to bring it down your neck. Speaking of life, I want to present to you my very own bronzer, Give Me Life. It's a take on Give Me Sun, and that's what my collab just brings me, y'all. It just gives me life. It just gives me life. I hope this collection gives you life because I had so much fun making it for y'all. And this is a beautiful bronzer that I'm just going to dab on the cheek. So cute. Don't forget your double chins. Next, I'm gonna brighten up under the eyes using the Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. And just busting it under here. And I just love bringing light to the face. Even though you wanna get a tan, you still wanna have dimension. So I feel like bronzing / contouring and highlighting go hand in hand. Especially if you're a glam queen like me. Here's a trick too. If you wanna take your little, you know, brightening powder, you can go ahead and cut your cheek like that. It's subtle, slims the face a little bit. It's a cute trick. Don't forget to snatch your nose. You want to build. Nose snatching colors are preferential, so use what you have that suits your tone. Now to finish the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take my Mabuhay right here and run this under the lash line. Oh, you know, speaking of a rim in the eye, I wanted all the boys on the music video to have sandy crotch and Mabuhay in the eye, so it was just that blown out look. And if you want a little bit of guy glam or guy line for all the boys watching at home, definitely if you want that oomph or that standout bronze for summer, for a party, for any festival, this will just bring out your eyes no matter what shade, what color, what shape, anything. So these two just bring out the best in everyone. And if you haven't seen the music video, I strongly urge you to hit that button. Now for blush, we want to bring some life into the face. Yes, we have bronzer, but we can't go without blush. I'm going to take an oldie, but a goodie. I'm not blushing from my spring collection, Floral Realness, and I'm going to take the bottom side right here and blend it into the contour on the apples of the cheeks. So start here, swoop, there it is. Start here, swoop, there it is, okay? And if you haven't got the collection in store or online, swoop your man's wallet and go buy the collection. Yes, she's coming to form. warm. All right, now that my cheeks are done, I have one last product for the cheeks, and y'all know I really don't highlight that much on my cheeks because I'm insecure about my texture, but I wanted to create a product with MAC for those that have texture that want just that sheen, and I've been doing a lot of red carpet things, and I did wear this to the Billboard Awards, and this one is called Hot and Heavy. It's opalescent beauty powder, so it's not too shimmery, not too glittery, it's just right for summer, and I love it. And it has like the little pattern in it as well. So I'm gonna take this on a very light brush, and we're just gonna go in on the cheeks. You see, it is gives that glow without the glitter. Okay, she's cute. Yes, yes. And I'll take this just on the cheeks to start, and then right above the highest point of the brow, catch that sun. On the lip. And you can do some on the collarbones as well. I gotta do this. I look like a fucking frog. I look like a frog. Okay, we're almost done. Do you see what I see? Yes. Ah, so hot and heavy, breaking the mold. Rewind that back and do as you're told. Here we go. Now for the lips, I am so excited. Look at this. It's so cute. Now, we are going to take Hover. I also use this in my spring campaign. It is the best lip liner. You can go más peachy, más pinky, whatever you like, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Now for the lip glosses, we have two. One is a pinky nude and one is a peachy nude. They are beautiful for the summer because it's just that sexy, you know, it's a must-have sex lip for the season, okay? So we have Cream Pie, which is pinky, and we have Fashion Punch, which is a beautiful nude. I think I'm gonna take Fashion Punch and apply this on the lip. We'll save that Cream Pie for later. These are opaque and so comfortable that you can wear it by itself and it'll cover your lip. Oh my God. I am going to I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to change and I'll be right back for the finished look.
I was like this.
I had to go
and then
blue steel.
I was like this.
Oh, yeah, it was 2 fingers. It was like on my chin.
yes.
And we were
You're
here.
looking at me.
No,
Yes.
I was looking out that way.
Oh, okay.
I swear to God.
You don't want to look at me?
No, I do, but I gotta look that
Why
way.
you gotta be so
Check the campaign.
difficult? You're looking at me, Jordan.
I'm definitely not. I totally am. You guys are right. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Sorry.
And I'm like this.
It was just like that.
All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I am serving PatrickStarrr Summer Star Glam with my 3rd collection at MAC. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, follow Jordan. Thank you to my team. Check out the collection right now in store and online, and I will see you all in my next video. God